In this video, you will learn how to view your profiles privately on Truecaller. Open the Truecaller app, launch Truecaller app on your Android or iPhone. From your home screen or app drawer, go to Settings, tap on your profile picture or the three-line menu at the top left corner, then scroll down and select Settings. Select the Privacy Center option. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy Center to manage your privacy and visibility preferences. Find the Private Mode or View Privately option. Scroll until you see View Profile Privately or Private Mode. This setting controls whether others can see what you viewed on their profile. Turn on Private Mode. Toggle the switch to enable Private Mode. When this is turned on, users will not be notified when you have viewed their profile on Truecaller. Save it and exit settings. After enabling this feature, exit the settings and now you can browse or view profiles privately without alerting other users. Now you know how to view profiles privately on Truecaller. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.